Welcome to the season premiere of The Morning Howl. I'm Addison.
And I'm Laura. We hope everyone had a great summer and we look forward to this school year.
Here's the news for this week. 7th graders, there are still available spots for Tremont. Stop by the front office to sign up.
Yearbooks are on sale now. Search Liberty Creek Middle on your jhacompany.com to order yours. The cost is $40.
8th graders, limited spots are still available for Washington, D.C. See Ms. Hogan for more information.
Next Thursday, August 14th, is Meet the Teacher Night at LCMS. Families are invited to attend from 6 to 7 p.m. Here are this week's birthdays. We'll be right back.
Hi, I'm Evie Lynn, and this is Teacher Spotlight. Today we'll be talking to Ms. Craighead.
Hi, I'm happy to be here.
Okay, my first question is, what is your position at Liberty Creek Middle School?
So this year I'm going to be the assistant principal, one of the assistant principals at Liberty Creek Middle.
My second question is, what did you do before this?
So before this, I've been at Liberty Creek actually since we opened, and I was the instructional coach here for the past 3 years. So I just worked with teachers, I was in classrooms, and then moved to the assistant principal role this year.
That's really cool. Where did you grow up and go to school?
So I grew up here in the area. I'm from White House, Tennessee. I grew up there and went to White House schools. I went to Merrill Hyde for a little while, and then I went to Lipscomb University for college.
What is your favorite subject when you were in school?
I think when I was little, my favorite subject was like reading and writing. I loved books and I loved to write. As I got older, I really liked science, but still always just loved to read. So I would say reading or science were probably my favorites. Still love to read.
What do you like most about being a teacher?
I think most about being a teacher and an administrator is helping kids, helping you all figure out just who you are and what you want to be, whether that's academics or sports or socially, but just helping people figure out like their passions and really what they want and how to be good at those things and how to feel good about yourself. That's my favorite part.
What is your go-to coffee order?
My go-to coffee order, well, this is my time of year because my go-to coffee order is anything with pumpkin in it or like cinnamon and caramel, but I love a good pumpkin coffee. So anything pumpkin is my go-to for sure. It's my favorite time of year.
So you guys can remember that. What is one piece of advice you would give to the students this year?
I think the biggest piece of advice I have is just to be yourself and to figure out where you fit. So you don't try to be somebody else, don't try to be cool, don't try to fit in, but just try to figure out really who you want to be and be that person. And then when you figure that out, try to find friends and groups that you can get plugged into. I think the biggest thing in middle school is figuring out how to get involved and how to be plugged in. So really just trying to find a place where you can get plugged in and so that you can be around people who have similar interests and just really staying true to who you are and not who other people want you to be.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So I'm Evie Lynn, and this was Teacher Spotlight for Liberty Creek News.
Welcome back.
During pickup and drop-off, remember only using bus lanes in the front and car riders in the back of the school.
This week for LCMS Sports, volleyball plays Schaefer today at 4:30 and station camp at home on Wednesday at 4:30.
All sports passes can be purchased on GoFan now. This one-time ticket will get you into every sporting event at LCMS this year. For Liberty Creek News, I'm Addison.
And I'm Laura. Don't forget to follow Liberty Creek News at Liberty Creek News on Instagram. Have a great week.